everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. We're continuing our casual Thursday. I'm taping downstairs because it's really hot upstairs day. And today I have a Bombay and Cedar. Full disclosure, I've had this for a while. I had so many there for a while that I felt like I had overdone it. So I held one back and I'm telling you, there's something in here that smells really good. So let's get into it and check it out. Bombay and Cedar is sent to me free for review, but because of that, we have a discount code. I will put all of that information down below for you because in taping downstairs, I don't have my paperwork, and you would think I would know it by now, but alas, I don't. So here we are. But they give us a nice discount code and link to pass on to you guys. So I will put that down below if it's something you have any interest in. I always love the Bombay and Cedar. What I like about it is it's unique. It always has things in it that we're not getting in every box. I always feel like it's definitely worth the money that they're charging for the box. It's just a box I always like. I had outside the box, so we'll start with this. This was just, it comes in an overwrapped bag, that box, and this were in an overwrapped bag, which is how it usually comes. And this is the first thing we got, and it's called a Bedfellow, and it's by Tech Candy. And it looks like, these were popular like back in the 70s. You could get it from like Finger Hut and stuff, and they must be making a comeback. I don't hate the idea of it with all of the remotes and pens and little pads of paper that I keep next to my bed. Does that make me old now? I'm afraid it might. Now that I've gotten it open, it feels, what does it feel like? Almost like the fabric. I feel like I have felt this fabric before, but I cannot tell you what I have felt it on. So they have tied this together back here with metal and string and stuff, and it's the downside of filming down here, so I can't take it apart. But this is the part that will unfold and tuck between your mattress and your box spring. So many people don't use box springs nowadays because of the bed frames that are so in, which how do you do without a box frame? There's a discussion for another day. And then this part will hang off the edge, and you can put, look how big that is. This is much bigger and more structured than they used to be. It's got two pockets and then that big area. It's got just a little bit of design on the front. Can you guys see the design? Let's see what this says. Listen, you have got to keep things together. It's like they know me. Boasting double weight felt construction. That's what it is. It's like old-fashioned felt, like when you were a kid and you did crafts. That's kind of what this feels like. With reinforced stitching, the Bedfellow will hold what you give it. Two interior pockets keep smaller items contained, ending nighttime searching in desperation. Great for your journal, reading materials, and tech. I like that. Can you guys hear it? Let's see if I can get in tight, if it'll pick it up. See, that's it hanging off the edge of the bed. That's a pretty cool start. See? When's the last time you saw something like that in a box? Pretty cool. Now, we're just going to open up the box, because like I said, there is something in here that smells so good. So when we open it up, we have our paperwork right on top, and then that is what the inside looks like. Let's just dig in. This is the May Lifestyle Box. I have not had this since May. Absolutely not. When I said I'd had this quite some time, I thought maybe a month and a half. So I would say maybe beginning mid-July, but I have found that with PR, they often send us the prior months, which I kind of appreciate. Because that way there's, well, I guess that means you guys can't get the exact box. But I always feel like they're sending us the things that would maybe otherwise go to waste in some way. Anyway, right out of the bag, we have Skinny Pop. Do you guys like Skinny Pop? I love Skinny Pop. One package, 100 calories, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, all the free things. And this says that everyone would have received some sort of vegan snack. So I suspect this is my vegan snack. Next out, we have our oils. I don't think that's what I smell. I wondered if that would be what I smelled, and I don't think it is. Each month, you will get this nice little organza bag, usually, and they have gone from, instead of giving us like 15 ml bottles that you then had to decant, and you always have to blend with a carrier oil. You don't use essential oils right on your skin. You always want to blend with a carrier oil. Well, the beauty of these roller balls, which is what they send now, is they've already blended it with a carrier oil. So we have two this month. This one is called Immune Boost. So that's pretty cool. And then this one is called Bug Off. I mean, perfect for the season, right? Especially had I opened it in a timely manner. This says the Bug Off Essential Oil Roll-On is a proprietary blend of oils designed to ward off insects, mosquitoes, making it perfect for use in humid areas where mosquitoes are particularly active, and it has a $17 value. And then the Immune Boost says this blend of therapeutic essential oils is designed to stimulate your immune system and give your defenses a much needed boost. $16 value. So just in the two oils you have $33, and that's true. Essential oils are really pricey. They have made these. They are, I might have to get my husband involved. Okay, got it. So I might have to get my husband involved. Oh, that smells good. What is that? I would like to tell you what that is, but let's see. Lemon, frankincense, palmarosa, copoiba. I'm great at this. Petitgrain and dillweed, and it's in fractionated coconut oil. I think it's actually the dillweed that I smelled that I could not identify. And then this one, much more subtle scent. What is that? This is the Bug Off. I'm surprised that's more subtle. This one is lemongrass, rosemary, geranium, cedarwood, and citronella, and it is diluted in a fractionated coconut oil. So those were the two oils for May. Everyone would have gotten those, and also it also says everyone would have gotten the Bed Valet. Okay, next out we have Echo Toilet Block Lushy Limes toilet tapes. I have no clue. We are for sure gonna have to read about this. I have no idea what that is. Let's read. Everyone would have received this, and it has a $5 value. Sustainable toilet blocks with amazing aromas. Each flush provides a wonderful fragrance, cheerful design, and powerful foaming action that cleans your toilet. Up to 90% less plastic, vegan, cruelty-free, biodegradable. Lasts a minimum of 160 flushes. Pleasant smelling aroma. Stick the toilet tape over the edge of the toilet to catch the water flow. Harmful to aquatic life with long-lasting effects. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to use these. Not sure about that. Next out, we have Tech Candy Be Present. Again, I'm not sure what I've got yet. This is something else we're going to have to look up. These are I am considerate, I am attentive, I am listening, I am with you. Set of 4 anti-fubbing screen blockers. P-H-U-B-B-I-N-G. I still don't know what this is. This is also something everyone received in May. It has a $14 value, and it says, start by being a role model yourself. Place one of the Be Present clings on your own phone screen to block distractions. Then share a cling with everyone else. What does that mean? What does that mean? So when you open it up, it's just the tin. Everything is actually stuck to the top. So I told you there were things in here that I did. This is so sticky. Can you see how sticky it is? How do you get it? Does it open? What's happening? Are there directions? You would need directions for this. Oh no, it doesn't open. Stop the fubbing with this tactile nudge to put phones down and keep heads up. At the family dinner table, date night, office powwow, girls' night out. Start by being a role model. How? Place a Be Present cling on your phone screen to block distractions. When finished, collect and store the clings with the protective film back in this handy tin. Don't be busy looking at your phone. So the theory, I guess, is you put that on your phone, and it's not that you can't see your phone, because you can. Here's the picture on the back, so it shows it as just little bits on there. See how it's just a little bit on the phones? I guess you're just supposed to look down, see this, and it's supposed to make you think, stop looking at your phone. I like the premise of it, and I just put the little piece of plastic back on the bottom, and I guess you stick it back to the top. I'm not sure if this is applicable in my life. I get the theory, but let me know below. Is this something that you would use? I also got another snack here, and it says, that's it. Apples and strawberries in this mini fruit bar. No sugar added, 60 calories. And this was just in there, so maybe this is just another one of our vegan snacks. Next out, I have a book. Everything is Connected. And it is by Carrie Smith, creator of Wreck This Journal, reimagining the world one postcard at a time. Oh, how fun is that? So I just had one drop out. Document the things you see on your way to mail this postcard. That's kind of interesting. Take this postcard everywhere you go for 1 week. You must place it in full view at all times. Secret identity profile. Who would you like to be? Name, place of birth, dislikes, location. Well, that's kind of fun. So you could just do, ooh, sun just went behind the clouds. So you could just kind of do your own little James Bond, I have a different identity situation. This is interesting. I think that this is something that my girls might like. You know, the paperwork says, everything is connected, reimagining the world one postcard at a time. With this set, your mission is to reimagine your world and the worlds of everyone around you, one postcard at a time. Creative, collaborative, and winkingly subversive, this package set is a manifesto, a mission, a game, and a situation in one package, $14. You would have received either this or an abstractions postcard and journal set by MoMA, and that had 132 gridded and lined pages and included 3 postcards featuring iconic words and art from the Museum of Modern Art collection. So this is the one I received. I should take this time to say, a lot of times when there are options, like the ones I'm telling you now, they actually do some choice in their box. So you might have been able to choose. I'm not sure, but you might have been able to choose which one of those you prefer. And last but not least, and I suspect what the scent was, is this. Well, let's show it one at a time. What's the front? That's the front. And it is a bergamot and patchouli. I think it says it's a hand wash. Foaming hand soap. And it came with its own little pump. And it's called Organic Cube. And this was one of 4 things you could have received. And it has a $32 value. And I can tell that it is already, when I said, wow, this smells fantastic, it's this. And it says, crafted with organic coconut and sunflower oils and using traditional process of saponification, purified water, organic plant glycerin, and pure essential oils. Packaging developed sustainably from 100% reclaimed plastic waste, single stream recyclable material, scent chosen at random. So it came in other scents that I would say. And it had a $32 value. You could have also received, and again, there may have been choice, an Eau de Parfum Little Luxe set by Lalia. Oh, that's fun, because that's what we get in the Margot Elena. A Linda McCartney's Family Kitchen by Paul, Mary, and Stella McCartney. And A Woman on Food by Charlotte Druckmann. And that was another book. And this is what was chosen for me. Because obviously with like PR, I don't have a choice. This is probably what I would have chosen. I love bergamot and patchouli. They're probably 2 of my favorite scents. I wonder if it's sealed. It's not. Oh yeah, this is definitely the scent I smell. That smells fantastic. That would have been the May Bombay and Cedar box. Like I said, you probably had some choice with it because I do believe they do some choice in their boxes now. I think you get at least one choice. I received the bergamot and patchouli $32 hand wash. That's a pricey hand wash, but it might be a posh brand. For snacks, we got Skinny Pop and a strawberry apple leather. My girls will love that. I will love the Skinny Pop. We got these be mindful when you're on your phone around people reminders. Our 2 essential oils. The Echo Toilet Lock for keeping your toilet scented nicely. Does it say what flavor I have? It doesn't. Oh, Lushy Limes. I wonder if that's the brand name or my scent. This postcard book to send postcards everywhere and get people thinking about different things. And our bed valet, which was outside the box. And I have to tell you, probably one of my favorite products because I think probably I will start using this right now. It said that our box value would have been $131 to $150.99. I want to thank Bombay and Cedar for sending this over. Again, if you have any interest, I will put the pricing information, my links and codes below, and I will see you again really soon. Thank you so much for coming by for Casual Thursday. I don't think this is going to be a new thing, but you never know. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.